Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with the internet connection. It is crucial so your device will have a chance and ability to check whether you've got any kind of updates. So first of all, as I said, internet connection, you can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then we can enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system, so let's tap on it. And as you can see on the second position we've got this option system update, so let's tap. And as you can see, here we've got the information that our system is up to date, and it is the first scenario which you can meet after entering this section. Of course, if you don't believe your device, you can simply tap on check for the updates, and your device will need the internet connection. And as you can see, it lied to me because right now we've got the second scenario where our device is showing the new version which we can download. As you can see, it will automatically allow the downloading. That's okay. Basically, you will be able to check what is new in this new version, etc. So as I said, you've got two different scenarios, whether you've got the updated system, so your device will show the information that you're up to date, or whenever you will have new version, your device will show you the information about it, what is new, and start the downloading. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.